Here we are, Vestaboard, first one, Vestaboard Note, 4x3, Chico, California. We're just setting a bunch of stuff up, then we're gonna double check with blue tape, exact center and height. So what we're doing is plugging in an extension cord right there, just gonna go over the wall. And then we're just gonna have that wall mounted 16-port power strip. And we're just fishing all the wires down. And we're gonna fish all 12 cables down. I have the switch, put it up here. Okay, sheesh, look at that. So we have to measure, like, does it want to send it off that wall to the window or just the wood? So there's a sign that's gonna live there and we're gonna go below that. You'll have, if I went off the centered from here to here, you'll have 9 inches of tile, wood, screen. And then below you'll have 9 inches. That's what it is, okay. Laser beamed up. We get the whole bottom row up. We just sit the next one on top, put a Sharpie, measure down the 1/4 inch, put the next one.
Yeah, I got you. Just mount them, and then pull them off and then drill.
Gonna pre-measure where the power and data is gonna go. Hang these again, measure the next row of mounts, take those down, then put the next row up and do the same thing.
Yeah, measure mount to mount, put that one on, and then we'll tighten everything, you know what I'm saying? Go through and put, Yes, indeedy.
As soon as he gets all the mounts up and we just dry hang them, we're gonna drill all 12 holes, shim as we go. That should go pretty quick after that. All right, we're done. 4x3, first Vestaboard Note video wall done in the world, in the US, in Chico, California, at Paradise Brew Works. We're just finishing the program right now. We just cleaned up. See you guys in the next one. Later.